Welcome back to aRezipi. Today, we are building the ultimate sweet, spicy, and sticky Korean fried chicken burger. We are taking juicy, boneless chicken thighs, marinating them until perfectly tender, and frying them to a golden, glass-like crunch. Then, we bathe them in a bubbling, rich Gochujang glaze. Pair that with our signature creamy Deluxe Slaw, all hugged by a toasted, buttery bun. It is crispy, it is messy, and it is absolutely delicious. You do not want to miss this. Let's get cooking. For this masterpiece, you will need about half a kilo of juicy, boneless chicken thighs, that's 2 large pieces, some soft buns, and fresh cabbage. First, let's get our chicken marinating. Into a large bowl, pour 500 milliliters of milk. And crack in 1 whole egg. Season simply with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Add 1 cup of mixed flour. And whisk until completely smooth. Submerge the chicken thighs into this creamy batter. Cover it up and let it rest for 30 minutes while we prepare our delicious sauces. While our chicken rests, let's build the dry coating. In a wide tray, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika. Followed by 1 teaspoon each of garlic and onion powder. Plus a pinch of salt and black pepper. Whisk these dry ingredients together to evenly distribute all those wonderful flavors. Take the wet marinated chicken and firmly press it into this seasoned flour mixture. Shake off the excess to reveal those flaky bits, the secret to a perfect crunch. Carefully drop the coated chicken into hot oil at 180 degrees Celsius. Fry them for about 8 to 10 minutes until they reach a beautiful, listen to that sizzle, golden brown color. Take them out and let them rest on a wire rack. Just look at that gorgeous, glass-like crust. Now, it is time for the soul of our dish, the sticky, spicy Korean glaze that will beautifully coat our fried chicken. Let's load our exact measurements. Add 2 tablespoons of gochujang. One tablespoon of soy sauce for that rich umami flavor. And 2 tablespoons of brown sugar for the perfect caramelization. Next, pour in 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar to balance the sweetness. Followed by 2 tablespoons of water to bring the consistency together. Stir everything smoothly. Let the sauce simmer and bubble for a few minutes until it thickens into a glossy, sticky glaze. Just look at that rich red color. It is now perfectly ready to coat our crispy chicken. The secret to an unforgettable Korean chicken burger? It all starts with the perfect sauce. Today, we're making our signature deluxe sauce. Here is the exact aRezipi recipe data. We need mayonnaise, pickled cucumber, salt, and garlic powder. We also need Korean pepper powder, onion powder, pepper, and vinegar. Let's assemble. In a clean bowl, drop in your mayonnaise. Follow it up with the vinegar. Then sprinkle in the garlic powder, onion powder, and the vibrant red gochujang flakes. Now, for the final touch, add half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, and our special ingredient, finely chopped baby gherkins for that classic burger crunch and perfect tang. Gently whisk everything together. Watch as the colors blend into this beautiful, creamy texture. The smell of the spices combining with the tangy pickles is absolutely incredible. Let's prepare the perfect fresh crunch to balance our spicy chicken. Start by finely shredding beautiful green and purple cabbage. Listen to that satisfying crispness. Next, transfer the shredded cabbage into a bowl and wash it thoroughly in cold water. This simple step keeps the vegetables fresh, clean, and extra crisp. Drain the water completely. It is very important to let the cabbage dry thoroughly so our final slaw stays incredibly crunchy and does not water down the sauce. Now, remember our signature deluxe sauce? Pour a generous amount over the dry cabbage. Toss it gently until every single piece is coated in that creamy, tangy goodness. Let's bring back that sticky Korean glaze we made earlier. Drop your crispy fried chicken right into the warm pan. Toss it gently until every single piece is beautifully coated in that sweet and spicy goodness. Just look at that amazing shine. Slice your burger buns in half and generously spread rich butter on both sides. Toast them face down in a hot pan until they develop a perfectly golden crust. Time to build. Start with the toasted bottom bun and add a massive scoop of our fresh slaw to balance the heat. Crown it with our massive, glossy Korean fried chicken, and drizzle a little extra sauce right on top for that perfect juicy bite. Close the top bun. The ultimate sweet, spicy, and sticky Korean fried chicken burger, ready in just 10 minutes. Enjoy the crunch. Don't forget to subscribe to aRezipi so you never miss a bite. Let me know in the comments what I should cook next.